Welcome to our online Noorani Qaida course, where we will guide you through the fundamental steps of Quranic reading. Whether you're a beginner or seeking to improve your recitation, we're here to help you embark on this beautiful journey. Let's understand what Noorani Qaida is. Noorani Qaida is a basic primer designed to teach the correct pronunciation and recitation of the Arabic letters and their combination, making it easier for you to read the Quran with Tajweed proper pronunciation. We start with the Arabic alphabet, consisting of 28 letters. Don't worry, we'll take it step by step, making it simple and enjoyable for you to learn. Our experienced and qualified teachers will guide you through the learning process in live interactive sessions. These sessions are personalized, allowing you to ask questions and receive instant feedback. You can also access our course materials through our user-friendly website. The website is equipped with audio and visual aids, quizzes, and practice exercises to reinforce your learning. Are you ready to start your journey of Quranic reading with Noorani Qaida? Join us now by visiting our website www.quranhost.com or call us at 15513331082 to enroll today and embrace the divine language of the Quran. WhatsApp now, 15513331082.